Hello everyone, this is Joe from Second Shot Survival here, and we're going to be going over some stuff to put in your car for like during the winter time, that like if you get stuck or you get stranded, like your car dies or whatnot and you can't go anywhere. This will help alleviate some of that stress and keep you warm and all that other good stuff. So here we go. Alright, it's always good to have like an extra scarf or whatever. Uh, have an extra set of gloves, a hat, like you can pull down over your head to help keep you warm. Also, a wool shirt and stuff like that. Also, you want to keep an extra pair of socks and your vehicle because you never know when your feet are going to get wet or whatnot. Also, to help keep you warm, like your hands and feet and stuff, are some hot hands here. Okay, you can find these at Walmart in a big bag like this. Can't go wrong with that, and these last up to 18 hours of heat. So if you feel them get cold, uh, crinkle it up a little bit and shake it around, and you're good to go. Also, in case you need to charge your phone up, here's a charger. This charger I got at Walmart as well. Also has a stand on there, so you can stand it up like this. Also, it has a light on here too, so you can stand it up like that to use to work as well. Also, if you need to get out of your vehicle and you can't stay in there and you need to make a fire, this right here will help out a lot. And instead of rubbing two sticks together or whatever, this will work no matter what. And then also, you want to have like a couple bottles of water. And with the water, you want to have something like it's double walled. You can put like hot liquids in, like coffee, tea, that'll keep them warm for like an extended amount of time. Okay, and also you want to have a good first aid kit. This one here I have a TCCC, and then also I got my boo boo kit, if you want to call it that. Like with the burn kit, different bandages and stuff like that. And also for flashlights and stuff, everything I picked on here is and has redundancy. This can be used as a flashlight, something like an everyday carry, like EDC flashlight, um, headlamp in case you need to go out, shovel, snow out from your tire to get out. That's always good to have hands-free light instead of having someone else out there holding a flashlight and you both get cold or whatnot. And this has multiple uses as well. You can wear it as a scarf, bandana, or whatnot. And then also these right here, these are really neat because if you need to ditch your car for any reason, this is a 5x7 emergency blanket that you can actually use as a shelter. And this is really good. And I've actually used this and tested it. Not this one, but it has its own little carrying case as well. Very nice material. And this is what it looks like. All it is just a thicker mylar blanket. Okay. And believe me, you can actually it'll warm your butt up. But also, I know some of those bivvies that are like this, you want to watch, because I was watching a YouTube video and the guy was using it and it almost killed him. Whenever you use something like this, you're supposed to always have like a layer or space between you and the mylar and that didn't happen, and he almost got hypothermia. But also with the socks, you want to make sure that you have a good, you know, socks that are rated, you know, like thick wool socks or whatnot. Also, like with the hat, now this is just like your average everyday ordinary toboggan pull, you know, over hat. But with that said, I got a couple other things, you know, to show you, and, you know, recommendations to have in your car. And believe me, this stuff here, half of this stuff would be in the trunk or whatnot. You can get in through the back seat, or some of it could be stuff that you already have on you. So with that being said, here comes the other recommendations. All right, I'm back through the miracle of editing. Okay, something like this you want to have that's visible and very, very reflective. Okay, that people can see you, like if you're stuck. And that's just one method of signaling, you know. And you can also, like if your car won't start or whatnot, you can actually hang this out your window, you know, to get somebody's attention as well, while still keeping warm. All right, the second one, Chem Lights. Chem Lights come in different colors. You got green, white, red, and blue. Doesn't matter which one you use, you can actually hang that outside your car too. You can also get some infrared ones in case something happens in there using a helicopter as well. It'll, you know, the night vision and all that stuff that they have, it'll be like a big light that they can see it. Okay, and the last one, if you don't have it, you need to get it. It's jack of all trades but master of none. Alright, you made it this far through the video, and here it is. It's the Halo. Okay, not only can you jump start your vehicle, you can also use the air. You can change it up and down, change it by unit. Also, what I really like about this is that you can charge your phone, laptop, and whatnot. And also, back here, another redundancy. You can also use this to signal. And then back here, 75 watt AC plug. You can plug, you know, CPAP in and whatnot, you know. But yeah, this is really good. Here is the air. I've actually used this quite a few times to pump the air up in my tires. And it does it really good. And then this is a jumper. I actually had to use these too a couple times. And to plug it in, not that hard. You just see how the plug is, and see how that is, and then you plug it right on in. USB plug, you can plug right in there. Also, this is the charger that comes with it, one of them. C plug. You can also plug it right in there like that. And then also, it comes with a car charger, like with a cigarette lighter on it. So, you know, this would be the ultimate thing to have, you know, to make sure your phone, you know, stays, you know, charged up, so you can keep in contact with your loved ones, or call 911 and let them know what your situation is, or whatever the case may be. Yeah, this is a good all-around little unit, and I'll leave links below and on everything that was in the video. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much, and see you next time.